Hi, my name's Jason with Legacy Arms International, and today we're going to talk about something pretty special. This is the new shotgun suppressor, the Rex Silentium SEG12. And I got to be honest, I'm pretty excited about this. There's only about 4 of them out there in the wild right now, so it's pretty exciting to have one. I've not fired it yet, so today is actually going to be its virgin voyage, so to speak. We're going to shoot this through a Mossberg 590S. I've done a previous video on the 590S. There'll be a link to it that you can go to and watch it. But one of the benefits to the 590S is the ability to shoot full-size slug, birdshot, and buckshot, as well as minis in all 3 configurations. This suppressor can shoot slug, birdshot, and buckshot. It has absolutely no guide rails inside it. The way it's made and configured is basically the wad travels down the bore of this suppressor and basically looks at it as a barrel extension. So there's a lot of versatility here. The fact that you can shoot all 3 rounds through it is pretty amazing. It's also user configurable. This one right now has 9 baffles, and I can reduce it all the way down to 3 baffles just by unscrewing it and changing out how many I want. Apparently anything less than 5 to 6 baffles, you don't get a lot of noise reduction, but you get significant weight reduction. This is actually a very light can. The other suppressor that's on the market is the Salvo 12 and the Salvo K. I have those. Those are much heavier. This is a much more lightweight can, and I'm really excited to shoot it. One of the proprietary things that Rex Silentium is doing is it has a 6-lug attachment. So basically, you have on the shotgun a choke, in this case, that goes on, and he makes chokes for Remington, Mossberg, Winchester, and also a external thread choke for some of the other AR style shotguns. He's working on one for a Benelli. So here in the next couple months, there'll be chokes for pretty much everything. The benefit to this, though, is just like a 3-lug barrel on a Heckler & Koch MP5. This goes on, but it's 6 lugs. It's a solid attachment, and then it has a locking collar that you basically lock up against the suppressor so that it doesn't work itself loose. You're not going to get any kind of a baffle strike or anything like that on this. So attachment, made sure it's clear, and basically you just push back and lock it in place. It's locked in place, but now I'm going to rotate this collar, and it's going to push up against the suppressor so it can't come loose. It's basically permanently mounted. I have his 6-lug attachment on my rifles, especially my sniper rifles, and I will tell you that once this thing is locked in place, it feels as if the suppressor is permanently mounted to the barrel. It's an incredible mounting system. So I was super excited that he's using it on the shotgun. So what we're going to do, I've got some birdshot and I've got some slugs, and we're just going to kind of alternate between them and see how they sound. So this is a 7.5 birdshot. This is a slug, birdshot, slug, more birdshot, and another slug. So I've never shot a shotgun suppressor before, so we'll see how this goes. Birdshot, slug, birdshot, slug. Wow, that was fun. I don't know what it sounded like for you guys, but here it's definitely noticeably very quiet. And there was no issue with functionality, no issues with cycling the different rounds, so that's pretty neat. I'm going to do the same thing I did previously with the 590S. I'm going to alternate. So I have a full-size birdshot. I'm going to do a mini slug, followed by a full-size slug, followed by a mini birdshot, followed by a full-size birdshot, and full-size slug. And now we can just try a bunch of different stuff through it. There you go. Rex Silentium SEG12 suppressor.